So I started in this business about 20 years ago after I retired from the Navy. I did 20 years in the Navy. As you can see, I got a shadow box back here. I've been production supervisor. I've been a quality technician, a quality manager, and now my role that I'm in now is director of service. I've been in this role for about 7 years, and we handle tech service, warranty, and parts. So before I discovered Partful on LinkedIn, we had no exploded parts diagram. We didn't have any way for a customer to go online and identify the part themselves. They would just call into Kolpak, call in a parts team, or they email them and say, I need this part. What's the price and availability of this part? Never had it. When I discovered on LinkedIn that Partful was out there, and I said, this is exactly what I needed, exactly what I needed. And I'm so happy I found you guys, and we've got to collaborate and have something up and running now. It's made not only our customers' jobs easier, but it's also made my internal team, the part CSRs. I've got three very junior part CSRs that really don't know some of the parts. They don't know what a fan cycle switch looks like or where it's in the system. But now they've got this platform they can actually see where the part is in the system and what it does. So it really helps their job as well. I mean, I've been screaming and screaming, and I finally, I think, bent the right ear to release some of the money and the funds to make it go. And I think the demonstration that you provided really sold it. I think it was just a matter of finding the right company that provided what we needed. I mean, a lot of stuff out there before I found Partful is so cumbersome and very costly, and this just kind of fell into place and it made it make sense. I think some of our sister companies as well have seen it. I've shown it to the sister companies, and they're excited about it too. So it's I think it's going to grow. I think it's going to grow. We have a really close relationship with engineering. We take a lot of our part sales drive improvements. So if we have a particular part that's got a high rate of being purchased, we know that it's failing quite a bit, and we take it back to engineering and say we might want to look at a different supplier or a different type of switch. This is failing a lot, and then we take that information, we share it with them constantly. It provides a lot of information for them and how to improve our product. There's a lot of junior technicians out there, a lot. The turnover is high in the service industry, and it's hard to keep good people. But the junior technicians, I think if they have this platform where they can actually see the part and understand it, that makes their job so much easier. And education is my number one priority when I'm here, is trying to train these technicians, these junior technicians, make their job easier. If they can get on and off the job site in a short amount of time, that's better for everybody. I mean, a walk-in is unique that you can't afford for a walk-in to be down, a walk-in cooler or a walk-in freezer. I mean, if an ice machine goes down, it seems simple, but you can just go buy a bag of ice and keep working. But if a walk-in freezer goes down, you've got to do something immediately, or you're going to lose thousands and thousands of dollars of product. So it's important to be able to identify the part quickly and get it replaced quickly. For a service standpoint, the technicians in the field, it's available 24 hours a day, even though we're not open 24 hours a day. A lot of times they'll be on a service call at 10 o'clock at night, and they can look up the part right then on the rooftop with their cell phone. They can find the part they want. They can place it and get it ordered. It may not ship immediately, but the next morning the order gets received and gets shipped out. I mean, it's available 24 hours a day. When our services, we don't really answer the calls 24 hours a day, but they'll be able to use it in that instance. And the young part CSRs, they find it as a valuable tool, valuable tool. It was really just for the service technicians. I had no idea how useful it would be for internal. I mean, not just in the parts. I mean, we've got engineers that are logged in and they look at it to see the modeling. And there's even people on the floor that actually manufacture both refrigeration and walk-ins that have looked at it and seen how it shows the modeling, and they're really, really excited about it. I know we've only just started touching the surface of what it can do for us. I mean, I know there's work instructions we can have part of that, and I've talked to some of the people manufacturing quality that we may be able to use this as a work instruction thing for people assembling. They can see how it's actually assembled. Yeah, we're just scratching the surface on what its capabilities are. Yeah, I really thought going into this it was going to be a very cumbersome process and take forever to come online, but I realized how simple it was. I mean, it was within the first month, I think we had stuff online ready to go, and I was really surprised that it was that fast. I'm happy that it was that fast. If we can get the engineering team to finish up the parts that they need for the door section, and then the polar pack as well, I mean, we'll have a round out platform. We'll have everything online for everybody. I'm excited about it. It's definitely worth it. It may seem like it's not at the time, but everybody benefits from this. It's not just the aftermarket sales team. The whole company can benefit from it. So it's definitely worthwhile to expend the resources necessary to do something like this. I mean, we were cavemen basically. We didn't have anything. I mean, people recall it was so cumbersome, but now it's just so much easier. I mean, I'm mad I didn't find you sooner. Don't wait. Do it. It's worth it. Don't wait.